Hi everyone, it's Grace here from Webber's Estate Agents. It's an absolutely glorious day today and I'm at the beautiful Trespassers Will just outside the centre of the village. This is a stunning 3-bedroom property with absolutely beautiful gardens, as you can see around me. It's got ample parking for at least 3 or 4 cars and also a double garage, as well as having a beautiful living room, dining room and kitchen. This property is on the market to either for sale or for rental. So if you're interested in either of those options, you can give us a call today on 01271 812 263. Now let's go and have a look around.